Welcome back to Vintage Lens Revival. This episode is sponsored by the one who knocked down my camera and broke my 14mm 2.8 lens. When it fell, it broke on the mount. Part of the lens was in the body and the rest on the floor. I managed to take the mount attachment from the camera and noticed that what was broken was a plastic part that connected the mount to the lens. I've tried for a few days to search for a replacement, with no luck. I felt lost. The drama fell from my head like the storm that hit Alverca in 1972, tears from my eye. Until I had a stupid idea. Why not 3D print the part? I felt a genius and lost a few more days looking for the part. No luck again. I felt lonely and desperate. So I decided to make a decision. I'll design the part myself. I took the measurements and with Gemini on my side, I managed to make the part. And you know what? First try. It fit almost perfectly with minimal adjustments. Here are the adjustments. The screws needed a bit more space into the part. Unfortunately, I screwed one of the holes, but it worked fine at the end. No finger condoms this time. Sorry about that. Look at that fit. Gosh, what a part I've made. Better than the original. Especially because it's broken. Let me tell you something that will stick with you forever, or maybe a few seconds, don't care. But aim for perfection, expect nothing less. You're welcome. Give me a high five. I had the terrible idea of testing the lens in the video camera. Now you are looking at way more that you should. And this is the design measurement. The end, and don't forget to be kind.